want to show you how I will plant my dahlias.
Dahlias are winter hardy only in zones 8 to 11. If you guys live in zones from 2 to 7, you can simply plant the dahlia tubers in the spring and dig them up and store for winter and plant them next season again. You shouldn't be in a hurry to plant dahlias early. They will struggle in a cold soil. Ground temperature should reach at least 60 degrees, and definitely should wait until all the danger of spring frost is past before the planting. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just planting in the pots and set up them in the house, and I will take them outside after the all danger of spring frost is past. Some people start those tubers indoors in the container months ahead to get jump on the season. That's why I'm planting them right now. Select the planting site with the full sun. Dahlias require at least like 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. They prefer the morning sun. They will perform the best in those conditions. Also, you should choose a location with a bit of protection from the wind, if it's possible. Dahlias like, of course, rich and well-drained soil with a slightly acidic pH. If your bulbs got some pink eyes or little bit of green growth on it, those are good signs. I don't recommend break the individual dahlias tubers right before planting. So for the bedding dahlias, they could be planted from 10 to 12 inches apart. For the smaller flowering types, stick about like 3 feet tall, should be spaced about like 2 feet apart. And for the largest, taller plants with larger flower dahlias, they should be spaced about 3 feet apart. And if you want to have a nice hedge of them, the 1 foot apart would be just fine, and they will support each other. And I think it would be looks pretty beautiful. So the planting hole should be slightly larger than the root ball of the plant, and I recommend incorporate some compost or peat moss into the soil, and some bone meal, like a handful of bone meal in the planting hole. It would be just good. Dig a hole that about 6 to 8 inches deep. Set the tubers into it with growing points or those pink eyes facing up, and cover them from like about 2-3 inches of soil. Some people do less, like 1 inch, which is fine. And the big and tall plants, they will require support, so I recommend set up the support on the planting time, because it will pretty hard to do afterwards when the plants already grow the big root. Dahlias start blooming about 8 weeks after planting, so it's about the middle of July. Also, I don't recommend the water tubers right after planting. That will encourage rot. So wait until the sprouts have appeared above the soil to water them. And also, I would not mulch my plants. The mulch spread the slugs and dahlias like sun on their roots.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.